So, what is our new restoration project? Well, in this short video, you're about to find out. Now, ever since we put that final video of RM1214's restoration on YouTube, you've been commenting, you've been sending me private messages, and you've been speculating as to what our next restoration project will be. So, I think it's about time we put you out of your misery and introduce you to our brand new restoration project.
So, some eagle-eyed viewers may have seen in the BL silvering video an RT lurking in the background. Now this is RT2629, which is my latest restoration project after we've completed the BL. Now this is a 5-year project or thereabouts, and we're doing a full restoration. At the moment we're working on the rear end of the chassis and the rear cross member that we've taken apart, and you'll see lots of that in the upcoming videos. RT2629 was new in 1951 to Turnham Green Garage. It worked on the Coronation Route Tour in 1953, and then it spent its life at various different garages until finishing in 1979 at Streatham Garage as a trainer. After that it went to the North London Transport Society that used it on various different tours and excursions until it was laid up in about 1983. It sat about various different places for a few years until we bought it in about 18 months ago and brought it back home to North Wales, where we're going to carry out a full restoration on the vehicle.
So there you have it. Now you know the subject of our restoration videos for, as Tim says, at least the next 5 years. And as I'm sure you'll agree, we have well and truly got our work cut out with this project. But here at Routemaster for Hire, we do enjoy a challenge. And of course, if you're a Routemaster fan, we will still be doing the regular maintenance and servicing videos that we do on all the other buses in the fleet. So you're going to get a real mixed bag of videos from us over the coming years. Remember to put your comments and suggestions in the box below. We read every single one of them, and look out for the first RT restoration video coming out very soon. From me and all the team, thanks for watching this short video. We hope you like our new restoration project. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.